New Dawn. I didn't know it will come up so soon. New Dawn. So this presentation, whatever I am talking today, I'll be sharing with you, sending to you all by email. You may use it the way you want to. So we need to take the tiny steps towards our goal and towards our success, getting over the fears. And these tiny steps are steps of courage you all would love to take, I am quite sure. Make a difference by changing the way you used to work earlier. Now working without leaving your home. It's exemplary. We are doing it today. Use your skills to give back to society. Change the way we serve the community. As on now, when the things settle down, obviously we'll get back to, as Anita ji said, to get back to our older ways. Develop your skills, learn new things. Preeti has a whole lot of computer stuff, technology, no, but this is the time when she can learn how to work on this and computers, and I'm sure she must have already learned in these 45 days. And each one of you can be tech savvy. Use this best time to impress your club officers. More than that, to impress your family, you know. मेरे बच्चे बहुत घबराते हैं, मम्मी आप कहीं और कोई प्रेसिडेंटशिप वगैरह तो नहीं ले ली सोसाइटी की, कहीं बिजी तो नहीं हो गई ज्यादा. बट never leave a single time just like that. Use something this time to learn something and share it with your club officers. Encourage them to learn something. Like you have so many doctors in your, as your Innerville member, educationist. You have someone who's fond of gardening, someone who's fond of counseling can do it because of the age or all sorts of things. Bring that talent out of your members and ask them to teach wherever they can to the community or your own members, and use the best of this time. Someone can talk on how to save water.